In the competitive arena of Upwork, the distinction between a generic applicant and a high-ticket strategist lies not in credentials, but in the nuanced execution of the proposal. Most freelancers default to traditional cover letters, centrally about themselves, their years of experience, and their qualifications. However, such approaches are functionally obsolete when targeting high-caliber clients who demand not a worker, but a partner adept at diagnosing core business challenges. To transcend this paradigm, the problem-solution framework is employed, transforming the proposal from an application into a consultation. The client's inbox is a battleground upon which only the first two lines of your proposal are visible. These lines, if saturated with self-referential introductions, are instantly disregarded. Instead, the proposal must open with a scroll-stop hook, a direct mirroring of the client's stated pain points, articulated in a language that triggers cognitive ease and recognition. Suppose a wellness author is contending with low book conversions from her YouTube audience. Rather than offering generic assistance, the strategist recognizes the precise issue. It sounds like you're struggling to convert your YouTube traffic into actual book sales, which is a common bottleneck for authors in the wellness niche. This opening establishes credibility by demonstrating immediate contextual understanding. Central to the problem-solution framework is the consultant script, executed in three deliberate layers. 1. The diagnosis problem layer. The strategist identifies not just the surface challenge, but also potential hidden issues. Where the client mentions SEO woes, the proposal deepens the diagnostic. While you mentioned SEO, the real issue might be the metadata alignment between your blog and your Amazon KDP listing. By exposing an underappreciated obstacle, the strategist asserts their authority and invites curiosity. 2. The roadmap solution layer. Here, a micro-reward is furnished, a succinct, actionable sequence that suggests expertise without divulging the entire methodology. The response could be, I would first audit your top 5 keywords, then optimize your rich pins, and finally set up an automated WhatsApp lead gen loop. This roadmap signals preparedness, specificity, and strategic thinking, incentivizing the client to continue the engagement. 3. The low-friction close. Whereas traditional approaches end with a generic plea for employment, the strategist seeks a low-resistance next step, a discovery call, or a quick conversation. For instance, I have a few ideas on how to double your $_ response to meeting ratio. Are you open to a quick 10-minute chat to see if my framework fits your goals? This phrasing removes pressure, frames the interaction in terms of client benefit, and leverages the principle of reciprocity. Performance is ultimately measured by the interview-to-hire ratio, $_, quantified as the number of contracts awarded divided by interviews secured. High-performing proposals function as samples of the strategist's work, concise, insightful, and tailored. Clients infer that generic proposals will lead to generic results, while those that diagnose, roadmap, and close efficiently signal expertise and a high likelihood of valuable partnership. By adopting the problem-solution framework, freelancers disengage from the race to the bottom on price and enter the realm of competing exclusively on insight. They become the sole applicant who has accurately defined and contextualized the client's difficulties and solutions, thereby positioning themselves as indispensable partners rather than commoditized labor. This approach not only increases the probability of securing interviews, but also dramatically elevates the likelihood of conversion to contract, fulfilling both the strategic and mathematical imperatives of winning on Upwork.